All right, I'm going to show you how to get the Windows application. So I assume you've already downloaded and installed the driver. That's the first thing you're going to do if you're using Windows. Next, you're going to go to the Applications folder, and the Windows software link is the very top one. So when you click on that, the application will end up as a zip file in your Downloads folder. Now that takes a few minutes to download, so I've already done that. So let's go to our Downloads folder. Here it is. So inside the Downloads folder is the zip file that contains the application. You can't run the application inside a zip file. Windows just won't let you do it. So you have to extract what's in there. So just double click on the zip file. There you go. And you see that inside the zip file is a folder of the same name. All you got to do is left click and drag that somewhere where you want it, like on your desktop, and it will be extracted there. I've already done that. That's the folder that you see right here. Just to save some time, I did it. Now here inside that folder is the executable. This is the thing that you double click to run the application. And there the application's running. Now I haven't plugged the dongle in or done anything like that yet, so I can't run any experiments yet, but this is how you run the software. If you don't want to go into this folder every time and double click on the executable, if you're lazy like I am, what I do is I right click on this executable and I will say create shortcut. What that will do is it'll create a shortcut that runs as executable. So you think, well, that's kind of silly. I just have to click on that now. But the nice thing about the shortcuts is I can put it anywhere. So I can put the shortcut on my desktop. I have to leave the executable in this folder, but the shortcut can go on my desktop. So now if I just click on that thing, that's a nice simple way for me to run the application. So one thing you should notice is that the first time you run the application, it creates a folder in your Documents folder. Here we go. So I go to my Documents folder. There's a new folder here now called IOLab Work Files. If you look inside this folder, you'll see some other folders that we'll talk about in later videos, but basically this is where all your data is going to end up. This is where the calibration is stored and so on. So this is a very important folder that is created for you the first time that you run the application.